Hey man, it's Workers Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So right now, as you guys can see, we're about to have to hurry up and cover this. Ooh, y'all see that? Antisocial Club, Neighbors, Assc, this whole collection drop or whatever. Oh shoot, I'm going to be like reviewing it. And I feel like there was gonna be a pretty good resale with it. I went on Grail to just check up on Neighborhood because I'm gonna need you guys to just educate me on like the brand. I really do not know, but they have 500,000 followers on IG. And I looked through some of their pieces and they seem to have like some really good like outerwear. That's what I feel like they may be known for. For those of you guys who know like more information, go ahead and let me know. But you know, whenever it comes to Antisocial Club, I've been on it. I ordered stuff in the phase, drop. And you know, I've just kind of been staying in tune. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take a look at some of the pieces. I'm gonna let you guys know if I'm messing with them. And one thing that you guys also need to know is that whenever it comes with Assc, they shipping takes forever. Like it's up there with V-Loan. And we all know V-Loan, like they do they pre-order stuff, but for Assc, it's not really pre-ordered, or it's maybe only pre-ordered to a certain extent. Like for these V-Loan collabs, they'll let it run for days. Anyone who wants it can get it, whereas Assc, it could be like, I guess the first 1,000 people or however many they do it, and then they cut it off, but they still have terrible shipping. Like it's trash. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take a look at it. Thank you guys for all the support that y'all been showing on all the previous videos. Tomorrow, guys, make sure you stay tuned. We have the Lil Tecca X WWL. I forgot what it stands for, but I know those are the abbreviations. And some of the pieces I've been y'all know with this merch and stuff, for some reason it comes back and it follows me. I've been seeing it on my IG nonstop, and you guys have been telling me to cover it, so of course I'm gonna go on it again. If you guys see any merch dropping, shoot it my way. I'm gonna be on it ASAP. But anyways, y'all, I need 100 likes on this video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's go ahead and get 3K. We already know the big goal is we're on to 10,000 subscribers. Let's get it. Alright guys, so not gonna waste no time. We got the laptop. Let's get the screen recording going and let's get right on into this. Okay, so we had Antisocial Club X Neighborhood. Let's go take a look at this first piece. I'm pretty sure most of these pieces will sell out pretty quick. Okay, so from just the looks of it, from what I'm looking at, I'm assuming that the swords is for Neighborhood. And like I said earlier, bro, y'all put me on. Like, let me know some of the history behind it. What made them big? Like, how long have they been, like, you know, making clothing? What's your favorite pieces from them? Or what do you usually go for? Do you try to resell from them? I'm looking at this, and I mean, it's straight. This is up close what they have in the front. I mean, it's straight, it's simple. Assc, oh, and 6 black hoodie. Okay, so reminiscing the phase drop. So these prices are way more affordable, in my opinion. We're just gonna go through each and every single one. Antisocial Club. Yeah, the sculpting has to be their logo, without a doubt. And it says Antisocial Club Neighborhood, craft with pride over get weird. Y'all gotta educate me on this, bro. I mean, it hasn't sold out yet, so maybe it's not as hype, and they have it in a white version. It appears to be the same type of thing. I guess I like it a little bit better. Now, I guess I like it a little bit better in the white. And we got like a little crew neck over here, long sleeve, at the AW05. Okay, and some Neighborhood, another little wavy. This the standard. Crabs could get weird. Is this backwards? Maybe this looks backwards because it's the, I don't know. It's tripping me out, bro. Yeah, it looks like it's backwards, bro. But yeah, the only thing I like about Antisocial Club or Assc, bro, they got these pieces right over here, but in reality, they still probably haven't shipped out. They definitely haven't shipped out this collection. They probably like still on their undefeated one. I know they're not at the Hello Kitty, so it's like they keep things coming, but they shipping just takes forever. I mean, I guess how they make their money, but at the same time, it's like, I feel like once they place an order for the drop, like once they get the drop, they figure out what the pieces are going to be, they go ahead and then they place the order, and then they let it go live, and then they're just in a constant, like they're just waiting for the next pieces to come in. The pink ones I do like. I would probably go ahead and cop this one if I had to cop anyone. The camera pink tee. I do mess with it. Nice, cool. It's that soft pink. It's that light pink, man. It gives me if you guys are in tune with Lil Yachty, whenever he had his teenage tour, he had a piece that was like this, with like, it was like a boy and girl. It was like the light blue with the light pink, and the light blue was in wording. It was a nice little contrast. I do mess with this piece. I mean, it's simple. It's nothing too crazy. None of these pieces, like, they're essentially the same style, just in a few colorways. This one's hard as well. That olive green mixed with that orange, it's definitely hard. It's a social club. I mean, the pieces, it's not that hype, bro. I was expecting a little bit more. I did see the pieces, but I was thinking there's gonna be more, like, or it gets more. I don't know, this is something a little bit better. It would. Pink one is still nice, of course. This is tripping me out. It looks like it's reversed here, but probably not when you get it. I don't know. Maybe it's just the angle. It just looks backwards to me. Maybe I'm tweaking. Maybe I'm tripping. Yeah, I mean, but it's straight, you know what I mean? I don't have too much to say about it. If I didn't get any hoodie, I'll just tell you, like, my favorite piece for each color. I think that's good. Yeah, because I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's just very simple, generic. Maybe it's because I don't know too much about neighborhood. Maybe if I knew more about them, I would be like, all right, this is lit. But since I don't know so much about them, I don't know how to really assess it, so to speak. Oh, and now looking at the bag, nothing. I mean, like, it's not bad. Like, if I had it, I would be happy with it. But I'm not gonna go fiending for it. And it's still up. The website doesn't look like it has sold out yet. So let me just go ahead and pick my favorite, like, pieces in each style color, like what color I would prefer, and then we're gonna refresh and see if it's sold out, because right now at the time it's 10:11, so about 11 minutes into the drop. You guys should already know, Antisocial Social Club, they usually sell out pretty fast. Like, I know with the Bape one, sold out in like seconds, like maybe like a minute or something. And I was slow with it. I mean, I wasn't really slow with it. I was in tune, like I was. But once I saw the prices, because we're going to take a look. Look at these prices, bro. For just the shirts, I forwarded, bro. Like, because my plan was to go for, I think it was like the blue camo one, or this one, just one of these two. I saw 160, and I was expecting like 80 to 100, and it kind of, it was a smack in the face. And then I spent a few seconds assessing that before I went and I tapped the next shirt, and then you see the price dropping. Okay, so if I had to go and choose any hoodie, definitely that olive green is something different. I like the color, or like it's like olive forest green. I definitely mess with the color. Whenever it comes to shirts, this is a tough one. I really do mess with that pink, but the contrast with this color, and it seems to be, yeah, with the I'll just go with the pink, okay? This one's tough too. Okay, this is a close second. Let's say it's tied. These two, okay? My tie would be the olive with the orange with that pink white mix, and then for the long sleeve, I would probably go with just the black. Most definitely. So those are the pieces I will go for. You know, it is what it is. Now let's see if it's sold out. Okay, maybe it got more hype than I know. Okay, as you guys can see, as the boy refreshed, it was gone. So maybe there was more hype with this piece. All right, you guys. So in all, man, I really want you guys to go ahead and like put me on with the brand neighborhood. Obviously, a lot of people are keeping up with them. Maybe I'm just really, really late to the game. There's still hype with the brand. Is it less hype? I think it is it's an Asian brand. Because I know the drop was supposed to happen tomorrow it's going to be, I think, the Japanese release or the Japan release. Let me go ahead and fix that. The Japan release. And just let me kind of know, man, because I do want to go ahead and be very cultured on different brands or like streetwear brands, just any like major brands from different areas, you know what I mean? And you already know, like, Asian culture, low key, they be dripping. I cannot lie, they be dripping. Most definitely, it seems like they stress a lot of, you know, this unique fashion over there. So that is something that I would want to go ahead and be in tune with. So you guys, I need you guys to go ahead and put me on, educate the boy. Let me know what you know about it and if it's heat, if it's not. Also, guys, I got a few questions for you guys. One, let me know if you're able to cop this drop, because I was out here talking that little talk, hit refresh, and as you guys can see, you know, it went ahead and it sold out. So of course there has to be some hype in there. And also let me know if you did cop it. Are you reselling it, or are you gonna keep it for the personal? You know, I gotta go ahead and know that. Also, guys, y'all stay tuned for the Easy resale page. I have some pieces coming. Like, I have some pieces that I've already like dropped. I already got some, but I want to do a test run. I have some vintage shirts from the Philippines. They're gonna be in size small and medium. I'm gonna test it out with 3. I'm gonna post it on the page, and you'll be able to buy it from Grail. It sells out quick. I have some more, but the only thing is that the colorways, they're a lot more bright. And like, it's bright. Some of them are smaller sizes. And I don't know, like, for me personally, I don't know where it will be. You know what I mean? But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. If y'all rocking with it, I'll go ahead and put the rest. I got like 13 that I can potentially sell, but I'll test, like, I guess some of the top 3 to go ahead and see. So if you guys are interested in that and any one of those sizes fit you, or if you want to get like cop piece, give it to your girl or something like that, or a younger sibling, just make sure that y'all stay in tune. It'll probably be like, I'll put it at like $40 or $50 because it is vintage, hand painted. You know, I gotta put some type of price on it, but I don't want to put nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? So you guys, if you're interested in that, stay tuned. It should be up probably first thing tomorrow. So make sure that you guys follow the Easy resale page if you want to go ahead and get your hands on that. Also, make sure you guys smash that like button. 100 likes. You guys have literally been like doing so great. I feel like every single video posting is in like 1K views and whatnot. So I appreciate you guys a lot for the support, bro. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm literally telling you guys there's so much stuff coming. I'm working on getting a whole new like studio. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna be transforming my room. We're gonna get a nice, clean little studio for like the fashion content, business related content, and trust me, bro, we're gonna be having big mystery boxes. Big, like, I want to do like a few fashion challenges, you know, like just kind of like putting you guys on with some things. And it's just gonna go crazy. Even with the reviews, there's so many more reviews. We're about to be doing crazy freaking buyouts. I'm hoping coming October we have the Drake, and I think it's like Babe and Drake, if I'm not mistaken. We have a collab with OVO coming up soon. I know it's going to be a tough one to cop, but I'm going to try to cop as many pieces as possible. And again, guys, if you want to stay in tune with any type of merch or just, you know, fashion news, bro, you got to make sure you hit that button, bro. Make sure you subscribe. Anyways, guys, this is your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.